I'm almost embarrassed to even show you, but John Wayne old dolls. I just never thought I'd be peddling dolls, you know? Do you have that one room in your house or closet or dark corner, you know, where you just kind of shove things and forget about them and they seem to just go there and die? Tonight, I'm tackling mine. As you can see, things have gotten a bit out of, they've gotten a bit out of hand. This room is, it's a mess. So tonight, we're gonna get this organized and get it cleaned up. My goal here tonight is to get all of the random packing materials condensed down and put away with all of the other random packing materials out in the garage. Get this art at least somewhat organized a little bit better, so that way maybe I'll actually go through it and get it listed online, because that's something on my to-do list that just keeps getting, you know, knocked down a little bit. And then there's some other stuff over here that I need to go through, some stuff, just general putting things away. And then I also really need to get this room cleaned up because my daughter's going to be spending the night in 2 nights, and this is our current situation. So here we go. As you can see, it's just kind of become a dumping ground with a fair mixture of art for sale to be listed yet. That's on the list. Packing materials from various places that we save. And then also, because I go to Sam's and I buy everything in bulk, so that way I don't have to go very often, I kind of feel like Pretty Woman with all her bags. Oh, this is really cool. So see, while I clean this up, I can kind of go through some art that we've found that you not have seen yet. It's signed by, I have no idea who it's signed by. Look at the art. Look, there we go. It just really, really, really intrigues me. I think we're gonna have to turn tracking off. That was all over the place, I feel like. This is from the 90s, so technically it's vintage. How old does that make you feel? So this was photographed by Jake Sansing. I'm pretty sure that's how you pronounce it, but he was a veteran and he was kind of going through it, having a hard time with PTSD and things. And so he set off and was hiking all across America. It became a thing on news and all over the place, and it was kind of before social media. So anyways, he was photographing along the way. It's beautiful. I love it. I love the colors of it. And it just it's one of those photographs that just kind of really captures you, and they draw you in, and you really kind of feel like you're there. And it just, it evokes a bit of emotion too. I love it. So that one is going to be up for sale. So these are just some really cool, just some empty frames that I have found along the way. This one I grabbed up this is way 90s, but the irregular shape can really come in handy. So we can set these over here for just a moment. This is something that Jeremy found, and it is football stuff. The San Francisco Miner logo by a Tom Mosser. I mean, it's got a certificate of authenticity. It is number 30 of 49. Imagine that. So that's pretty cool. If I'm sure some 49er fans would love to have this in like their man cave, a bar. This would be awesome in a bar or like a sports shop. Tons of possibilities, tons and tons and tons of possibilities. More so out there in California than here in the middle of nowhere, Illinois. These pictures taken of them, like I know what those are. I've done the research. Now, wowzers. I'm just gonna go ahead and show you. It's art hour with Laura. No, I promise it won't last an hour. Look at this though. This is done in like carpet. And I don't know if you can tell. It's three-dimensional. It's insane. Like, how do you not buy this? Somebody out there is going to absolutely flip their shit over this. And I can't wait for them to do that because it's going to be so amazing for them. Like, they'll be so happy. That's what I love about this. Scooch that. Oh, that's already much better. Oh my gosh. Okay, quick little story time. This is insane. Oh my gosh. I'm almost embarrassed to even show you, but there are dolls in my house. John Wayne old dolls. I don't even know what to say. And there's others. I'm not gonna get them all out because quite frankly they terrify me. Claudette Colbert as Cleopatra, and we have James Cagney. Humphrey. Oh my gosh, it's good old Humphrey Bogart. We've talked about him. Okay. 1988 legend. This one, I don't remember what it is. Oh my gosh, I don't know. Let's just open it. See? Oh boy. Oh wow. That's terrifying. That's absolutely terrifying. We're just gonna close that back up. Oh my gosh. Another reason why we needed to get this mess cleaned up so that way I could go through some things and get things listed, because I am sure that there is somebody out there in this world that absolutely will want and love this, I hope. Either that or, oh my goodness, I just messed everything all up. I just never thought I'd be peddling dolls, you know? But here we are. Okay. This thing is going to make its way down to the booth soon. I just need to make room for it. Funny story, my daughter is actually the one that turned me on to this. You'd think it'd be the other way around, but no. That girl is a force to be reckoned with. I've got to learn to control myself when it comes to purchasing at Sam's because I only have so much room to store all of this stuff. So I am paper towel rich right now. Swimming in it. And then the Ninja. As wonderful as this thing is for cooking things, who has somewhere to put this in their kitchen? I mean, you have to build an entire cabinet around this thing. More paper towels because Grandma Nidra buys us paper towels every year for Christmas, which is great. I love that. I think it's genius. More paper towels. If of course comes to worse, I can always use them as packing material. This is a box of just random like staging material. These are quilts that Jeremy's grandmother made. Curtains that I still need to put up. I don't know about you, but I have been able to find some of the most amazing clothes that I've ever worn, like thread up. I honestly, not sponsored, would love to be, but I love shopping on there. All right, I'm blabbing. Put the quilts in here. And then just gonna go up here. Oh, the thing is ginormous. Artwork to photograph. Oh, it's looking so much better already. Take this out to the garage. This was literally sitting just on the Goodwill on a shelf, just like this, just all willy-nilly hanging out. Speaking of, okay, so this bedspread, Goodwill, found it. I love it. I think it goes great. The colors with the navy on the walls. It's so pretty. I love it. I think it looks really good. A tote full of hangers. All right. I mean, we've done good. It looks a whole lot better. Now I just actually have to go through and get this stuff listed.